How to transfer from Edward Jones to Vanguard. Follow my instructions. If you want to move your investments from Edward Jones to Vanguard in 2025, the process is simple when you follow the right steps. Here's exactly how to do it securely. First, log into your Vanguard account or create one if you don't have it yet. Select transfer from another firm and choose Edward Jones as the source. Vanguard will ask for your Edward Jones account number. You can find this in your account dashboard or statement. Have your latest statement ready, you may need to upload it. Next, decide if you want a full transfer or partial transfer. Full transfer moves all assets and closes your Edward Jones account. Partial lets you keep some investments there. Fill out the Vanguard ACAT transfer form online. Sign electronically to give Vanguard permission to pull assets. This way you don't need to contact Edward Jones directly. The transfer usually takes 5 to 7 business days for stocks and cash. Some mutual funds may take a bit longer. You can track progress in your Vanguard dashboard. And that's how you securely transfer from Edward Jones to Vanguard in 2025. Thanks for watching.